guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm doing a sweater nails. So I'm just using my sanding band to take out the shine from the nails, and then I'll push back the cuticles, and then I'll apply my tip on the nails. Okay. I'm going to cut the tip to our desired length. I'm going with my Mia Secret hand file to shape the tip of the nails. Now I'm going to go with my nail primer, my extra bond, and my base coat. First, I'm going to go with the primer. I'm going to use this my Coffin Polygel. I'm done applying polygel on all the nails. I'm just cleaning it with my rubbing alcohol, and then I'll start filing. I'm only going to file 2 nails on camera so that we have a very short video. It's very easy to file your nails. Just make sure you have your speed on a low speed, and then you start filing it. Okay, so I'm just cleaning it with my rubbing alcohol. I'm going to go with my sanding band just to file the surface of the nail. Nail design, we already did this one off camera. I just want to show you this too on camera. Okay, I'm going to be working with white liner. light blue, Modem 1. And I'm going to be working with this blue gel liner also. And then I'm going to be using this, my acrylic powder. So first, I'm going to draw the V French tip on the pinky. So I'm using this blue, the light blue on the pinky. If you make any mistake, just have a tiny brush to clean up the mistake with your acetone. So I'm going to clean both sides of the nails before curing it for 60 seconds. So the middle finger is going to be half and half light blue and half dark blue, okay? I'm going to apply my top coat on the nails. Then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to draw the sweater with my white gel liner. So I have my acrylic powder. I'm just going to pour it on the nails. And then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Dust out the acrylic powder from the nails. Guys, this is the end of this beautiful nails. These nails came out so well, so beautiful. This is my little way to show you guys how to do your nails at home. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video, okay?